10 Tips and Best Practices for Facebook Live. Facebook is a leading social networking platform which is widely used as a marketing platform in 2021. But getting your post seen in the newsfeed is becoming quite challenging. Moreover, Facebook ads has taken over the maximum reach criteria, as the more you pay, the more Facebook users you reach. But every business owner is not capable of investing that amount to reach the targeted audience. So how can you reach more people? The only answer to this query is to start Facebook Live. The live streaming service of Facebook has received a lot of emphasis to grow its demand. It sends notifications to your followers when you are broadcasting the live session and also after the live is over. When the live streaming ends, then also it has a plus point over the normal posts, as a live video receives the priority in the news feed as well. As per the research, the audience tends to watch the Facebook video for a longer duration as it somehow fulfills the viewer's demand. So you should obviously check if it works for your small business or non-profit organization. DotCreative, being the best social media marketing company, is back with the latest tips that you should follow during your Facebook Live to reach your potential customers and targeted audience. Formulate talking points and a call to action. Before you go live, you should decide the reason for which you are going live. There are many options that you can choose from, as it can be a normal Q&A session, or you are gonna make some announcement, show your products, or give a look behind the scenes of a certain event. Whatever your motto is, prepare your detailed research beforehand for any question that you need to ask your audience or what you need to convey. It helps you to communicate hassle-free without any tension to check what the next point should be. Also, plan for your audience to stick to you even after the live session is over. Share a link to them for what they need to do next to be a part of your company. For example, ask them to register for something, read something, buy something, or check out your website as a comment in your live and pin it to the top. Pick a location for your broadcast. Before going live, search for a location that is perfectly lit and isn't noisy so that your audience sees and hears you properly. You can also choose a location that displays your shop or office in the background to add an interesting aspect to your live. A strong Wi-Fi or 4G signal is recommended before broadcasting. In addition, you can utilize tools like speedtest.net to check the network speed for Android phones or iPhones. Choose your broadcasting equipment. Before going live, you need to check for the device you are going to use for your Facebook Live. It can be your smartphone, tablet, or PC, depending on your requirements. With recent changes, Facebook provides business pages to run a Facebook Live from smartphones and tablets as well. It's comparatively easy to broadcast from both devices, but you need to pick one over the other based on what you're promoting live. If you're performing the live from one location, acknowledge using a stand for your tablet or phone to get the best picture with no motion. Do a dry run. Practice before a Facebook Live broadcast, as it helps you become more comfortable before you go on air. For example, use your personal Facebook account and broadcast to your friends, or change the privacy settings to only me and do a live session with yourself. In this way, Facebook will save the video to your account, and you can examine it to see if you require to make any changes before your final broadcast. Promote your Facebook Live broadcast. Announce on your Facebook page the time when you are going live. You can also share the details via email marketing or through your YouTube channel and other social media platforms, so your followers will expect your broadcast time. You should also add an image that includes knowledge about the time, date, and subject. Give your broadcast a title. When you click on the live button, the camera turns on, and there's a section on the bottom to describe your live stream. Share details regarding your live stream, so anyone who views the activity in their news feed comprehends what to anticipate. You can also tag any people or pages that play a role in your broadcast to give it more meaning. Pay attention to timing. When you go live, one primary thing that you need to keep in mind is the timing. You should go live for a minimum of 10 minutes with a maximum duration extending up to 4 hours. The longer the duration of your live, the more chances you have to reach larger people to see your video in their news feed. Keep track of your live with either a clock or stopwatch. Interact with your audience. When you are live, you should constantly follow the comments and try to reply to every possible comment. In addition, it's essential to greet your audience to make them exhibit like they're a part of your live session. Facebook Live features the number of people watching your live but doesn't show you their names, so you need to promote them to speak to you. Ask people questions like, "Where are you watching our live from?" You will view the names of the commenters with their responses. Address people by name and accord their locations with your viewers. Remind your viewers what's happening. Viewers will appear and proceed promptly during your telecast, and they may not read your Facebook Live title. So be certain to suggest to them what's happening during your live stream. Take recurrent pauses and greet people who have just joined your session. Introduce yourself, share the location you're telecasting from, and speak about why you're doing a live stream. Organize and promote your Facebook Live video. The app will save your broadcast video in the Facebook page's video section. You can make the playlist for your viewers' ease. Then search for the video you want to promote. Promote your videos by sharing a link to your Facebook page. Follow these tips to get the best results from your Facebook Live session. In case of any assistance, feel free to contact us on 798-035-8244 or email us at dotcreativeweb@gmail.com.